Hey guys, it's your boy Catfish one more time, and we out here at Philips Chevrolet, and it's a little car show going on. Yeah, it's a little car show. It's about 30 cars here, so I'm gonna just give you a little overview. A nice SS Camaro. Got my Benz. Always record.
Here, I'll open the hood.
All original. We even got the look at it. We even got the model sitting there. Look at this thing. One owner. Look at this. You can read it. You can read it. We got this super rare 62 Biscayne wagon. Big block in it. This real nice GT 350 Chevy. Actually, the old coupe that owns it is right there, but I don't want to talk to him. 4-speed car, guys. Look at that coat. Look at that motor. We got a real rare car. This car is rare because most of the time you see these cars, 52 Chevy, they're 4 doors. And this is a 2-door, so it's rare. Got to clean this car. 350 in it. We got this real nice El Camino LS motor and a Corvette motor. Check it out, guys. It's tight. And it got air conditioning. Yeah. That's beautiful. Next to it, we got an ultra rare 66 Riviera. Now look at this thing. All original except for the wheels, guys. Look at this wheel. Got those black chrome torque thrust on it. See that original 430? Yeah. Look at that air conditioner too. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. I'll see it. I'll see it. Got a nice Corvette right here. I've probably seen this on my channel before. It's a nice Corvette.
I always heard you can always change out the pistons.
See this right here? This car been on my channel before. It's the E85 car. And you got this Monte Carlo. It's the E85 trailer car. You can't drive it. Nice Corvette. You know, y'all seen this Bronco on my channel before. On my Instagram, got a Coyote motor in it. Yeah, see that Coyote motor sitting in there, guys? Yeah, all original. Bronco. How clean this thing is. Thing is clean. Ready for 350 in it. That's nice. I know y'all seen this Camaro on my channel before. It is badass. And it got nitrous on it. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Look at this thing. This thing is sick.
Yeah, ain't it? That's what I just showed him. Boy, I like him.
Yeah. Y'all see that night? Y'all see that nitro bottle, guys? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yep. And the guy did all the work himself.
Man, that looks nice, boy.
57 Chevy over here. This is nice. Ford Crestline. Look at this one, guys. This is nice. Look at this. Got a flathead in it. See the flathead in it? Yeah, 1953. Ford Crestline. Look at this thing.
I didn't get this stock engine. I won a trophy for
Look
best.
at the interior. That thing is beautiful. Got another El Camino over here. This one got the original engine and it's factory air car. You see that? Yep. It's got the 307 in it. And you got this bad Camaro, 67 Camaro right here. Look at this thing. And it's nice too. Look at the interior. Look at that thing. Then we got a 442 W30. All original, guys. Look at that. Yeah. And it's got air conditioning too. 442. Look at the inside. Got the dual gate shifter, as you see. Beautiful. Got this Malibu 54. That's nice too. Straight, clean. Got the Quakers on it. Deep dish. Inside, real nice. Got this old school Monte Carlo over here. This thing is a beast. Look at the engine in this thing. Look at it. Look at the engine in this thing. It ain't nothing but motor in here.
Catfish, right?
There's, got the old school wheel wheels on it. There's the number. There's that. Thank you, gorgeous. Look at this thing. There's that. Real nice SRT right here, 392. Look at them forges on it, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. This thing is real nice. I like that blue. Got the staggered forges on it too. Yeah. Got the brains blowed out. This is an older one. This is like a 2012, guys. It is a blue. We got a nice bed over here. shift too. Yeah, look at the vents on the side.
You get the roof in there.
There it is. Thank
In
you.
the trunk
Nice.
here.
Huh?
Get the roof in there.
Yeah. Got the side skirt on it. Yeah, this is real nice too. Look who pulling in. Look who pulling in late to the party as always. Look at it with that pretty truck. That pretty two-door Tahoe. And last but not least, I gotta get this pickup truck. This pickup truck right here was at the Lansing Cruise, and it is so beautiful. I had it on my blog at the Lansing Cruise. Look at this truck, guys. This truck is ridiculous. Look at this. Look how pretty this truck is. Look at this truck. Look at this. Look at it. Look inside. And you got a model of the truck sitting up on the dash. Okay. This beautiful truck. Look at this. Just an outstanding Ranger, guys. Thing is pretty. Look, you got the lights inside the wheels. They have turning colors. Look at the door panels. Beautiful. Got the screen in there. Boy, Ranger. Look at that. Got a model of the truck sitting up there. It's beautiful. 250. It's a beautiful truck, guys. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for another edition of Catfish Corner. And just like that, this video is over.